In TouchDesigner, there's a simple way to create this pixel logic, using noise and some grid layers. If you're completely new to TouchDesigner, just comment "Guide" to receive an interactive starter kit with everything you need to learn about the program. Now let's dive in. To build this complex procedural system, I started with a constant chop to drive my global scale, defining my grid and shape sizes. For the scene setup, I've got a vertical render top at 720 by 1280, lit by two distant lights with soft shadows for that essential depth. Layer 1 is all about this noise top. I've got the period at 5, and I'm animating the Z-axis with a simple abs time expression. This feeds into a circular ramp via a composite top, set to negate for that sharp, high-contrast look. To soften it up, I used a Luma blur and a level top to tweak the blue channels. The magic happens at the top to pop, which converts that texture data into 3D point positions for my rectangles. For the second layer, I'm instancing rectangles onto a line, then using a pattern poppy set to square to drive the colors. I merged a few variations and used a copy pop to stack 40 layers vertically. The third layer is a variation of that same logic. I scaled it down, rotated it 90 degrees, and added a mirrored ramp top to drive a Phong matte. This gives us that sleek, shifting color pulse. Layer 4 uses a line POP with 60 divisions as a template for these thin rectangles. I used a lookup TOP with a black constant to mask the colors, then copied it 20 times with a slight Z offset to create a dense, structural feel. Finally, the fifth layer uses a grid pop through a noise pop set to curl 2D. I used a delete pop to clean up the noise based on the red channel, leaving only the cleanest paths. I merged this with another line strip grid and used a constant MAT for that flat graphic finish. To bring it all to life, I built this LFO chop bank. I used a clever me.digit script to automate unique frequencies for every layer. It's a ridiculously easy way to get complex organic motion. Experiment with the noise types to totally shift the vibe. Perfect. I'll see you in the next one. I built this interactive guide to break down the core concepts of TouchDesigner so you can nail your first project from scratch. It features step-by-step videos and concrete explanations so you truly understand the software. Comment guide and I'll send you the starter kit.